Hello guys, so welcome back to my AI automation YouTube channel. So if you are human resource staff, if you are the talent acquisitions, this workflow is for you. Okay, so what is done is to like automatically process the resume in the PDF format. Of course, others format can be supported, but like to make it simple, only PDF now. Upload it or maybe like updated in the Google Drive folder. So very like popular services, right? So extract and structure all the candidates information using AI and then updating them into the Google tracking system so that you can working at a central database or central candidate database for you so that you can like manage them and then like continuously build your build and expand your talent database. So let's check out, for example, like with the candidates, just so you want to like manage like their full name, their email, their phone number, the locations, LinkedIn, education information, summarize informations about their skill, right? Most recent company, most recent position, skill, experience, and yeah, there are a lot of things that you need to tracking about it, the candidate, right? About your talent pool. So if you can either doing by like manually screening your talent CV, right, and then manually input into their tracking system, or maybe you can spend money to buy for some SaaS application or maybe some software that help you to transform the resume into the like tracking sheet or into the record in database. But of course, it will be time consuming if you want to do it manually, and it will be expensive if you do it using some SaaS application or maybe some like desktop applications. So today I'm introducing with you guys the solution using something that's much cheaper. So what you need in n8n automations, like instant, it can be self-hosted instant or it can be the cloud instant, right? And then within a few steps, right, the automation workflow will scan and extract the candidate profile, and then the AI is powered by GPT 4.1 model going to parse it into the well structure candidate profile, all the information that you want to tracking, the all of information that you want to manage, and then like it insert it in the well structures in the tracking system at the central database for the talent pool, and also inform you in the Slack channel like this. Okay, so let's have a quick demo and then see how it works. Okay, so let me like execute. Okay, so whenever a new profile uploaded to Google Drive, right, so the profile we are using the trigger of the system, right, the Google Drive, we have the trigger. Okay, so that trigger on change to the specific file and then on change involving a specific folder. We are going to using the whenever we scan the Google Drive, right, using the built-in node of the Google n8n Google built-in node, and then we take watching for the change involving a specific folder in our Google Drive. Okay, so this is the folder I am talking about, right? Whenever we have a new resume uploaded, so the workflow will be triggered. Okay, and then we are using another built-in Google Drive node. Is it this one? Okay, we download the file. Okay, we're using this download the file to download the file, and then we're getting it using the data that we get in the previous step, right? So we have the web view link that allow us to download the file. Okay, so after we download the file, we use another built-in node extract from PDF node that allow us to extract the text contained from the PDF file, and then from there we have the text content of the candidates, the talent profile, and we fit it into our AI agent. this AI agent is powered by GPT 4.1 OpenAI, and of course you can customize it to use different large language model, like it can be Gemini, it can be other model, right? And then we have the JSON parser here that's the define our structure, right? So from the like PDF file that upload to Google Drive to this step after the AI agent process. So we have the well-structured JSON object that contain all the relevant information, all the information that we want to track about the candidates, about our talents. Of course, from here, so what you can customize to using different model based on your preference, or you can update the JSON parser. Okay, but be aware that because if you break the JSON object that already defined here, the follow-up n8n node may broken too. So yeah, if you understand what you're making change, so feel free to do that, but be aware if you making change here, right? So you can add more information that you want to track, or maybe remove the information that you don't want to track, something like that. And then I transform the output using a code node. Okay, and then consume the final JSONs with all the information that I want to track and store in my n8n database. So it can be full name, job title, email, phone, location, LinkedIn, all the information, right? And then from here, that I'm using the panel updates building node from Google Sheet. So I'm using the append or update row in the Google Sheet to insert the object, right, that I created in the transform output node, and then I store it in the Google tracking system like it, right? So just in a few seconds, right, let's check the execution. So at 25 seconds, right? So after 25 seconds from the PDF resume, the workflow is successfully able to transform the output and then insert into the central database in the Google Sheet, and also sending notifications to the hiring team or to yourself, right? Using the post message, Slack post message, right? You search for Slack, and then here we have post send a message. Okay, send a message, so that you can send a message to the channel or to yourself, so that you are notified about the successfully of the workflow execution, right? So very simple, very straightforward, but useful workflow that allow you to using Google Drive, right? The very common tool for document management, and then you can upload your candidate's resume here, or maybe update the existing one, and then it's going to watching for the change on your Google Drive folder, and then from there is parses, transform it, and then store the relevant information, the information that you want to track about your talents into the Google Sheets for the next step for further analysis. Okay, so this the simple, easy to build, and then effective way to build your talent pool with the familiar tool and services. So if give it a try. So I publish it on free on the n8n template platform, and then try check it out. And then if you have any problem, let me know in a comment, or if you have any idea to build another workflow automation for the talent acquisition business or the human resource business, so feel free to let me know. Okay, thank you very much and have a very good day. Don't forget to follow my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.